Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw by the title, I'm doing part 2 to rating my fidgets. And if you did not see part 1, I went through the new ones and this bucket right here as well. And now I'm going to finish up my bag in this video. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pick. I already went through some of them, which are right here. So I know what I went through and what I didn't go through. So yeah. You're going to have to go check out that video before you check out this video. I forgot to mention I'm going to close my eyes, I think. I forgot to mention. Okay. So I know what this one was, so I just picked the other one as well. This is a soccer fidget spinner for 75 bucks. 75 cents at the dollar store in like one of those little things. But I really enjoy this so much. It's actually worth it. I love the effect it gives off like the camera. And then I have like the Star Wars one I had for a long time now. I love this so much. I love fidget spinners actually. A lot. And we're gonna close our eyes. Wait, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna be rating them. That I love fidget spinners so much. 10 out of 10. Closing my eyes. So we have our roller rings. We have teal, green, and orange. Now I love roller rings. Don't get me wrong, they're super fun. But I got this for $3. I got this for $3. But the other ones I saw at Target were $10, and it only said it was $5. So, rip off, ma'am. But you know, I have the $3 ones here, and these are super duper good. They are magnetic, and they stick to this magnet thing, which is my bike chain. I give the bike chain, it's DIY, so it's not that good. But I actually seeing like videos about bike chains really are like super fun. And I really want to get one, and by the videos I think they are like a 9.5 out of 10, because they say sometimes it gets like a little bit like tangled up and stuff, but still I love these, and these are smaller than the other ones, but yeah, I love these so much. I definitely recommend it. This is gonna definitely have to be a 7 out of 10. Hello. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna close our eyes and pick another one. So this one, I made an infinity cube. This is my stepbrother's, but he gave it to me. I made it a smaller infinity cube, just like for a comparison. These are the two dice next to each other. And like two of these almost match one. And I gave the other one to my sister because I had this one. Hold on. She ended up breaking it and giving me this like little contraption. So you like just flip it back and forth. I really like the sound it gives. I definitely rate this. Like, I recommend it a lot. And it only took two dice and one piece of tape. So I definitely recommend that. It was super fun to experience. And then she also gave me just a regular dice that I like scratching at, like the little divots. Definitely recommend that. I would give it a 10 out of 10. And going on to the fact about dice, I'm gonna just do my infinity cube because it's out. I love these things so much. I'm like better at it at this hand, but surprisingly I'm better at it on my left hand than my right hand, because I'm a righty, and it's like super hard for me to do on my right hand. I meant like I have to do it against something. I could just do it in midair on this hand. So let's try it. There. You just gotta get it started. So yeah, it's super easy for my left hand, but not my right hand. And both of them, they just go super fast. But I definitely recommend an infinity cube. I really want to get a real one. And that's like a million out of 10. Like, recommend it a ton. Let's move to the next one. Closing my eyes. Well, I don't really have to explain this. This is a marble. Let me get the other marble out. Where is this other marble? Well, bouncy ball. Good enough. Marble? 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 I don't know. We'll find it. But marble. Don't have to really explain that much. Let's move on. So, I have this little... It's really hard to squeeze. And then... hit it and it glows. I love this one. Definitely recommend it. It's like 10 out of 10 actually. But this one I got at Walmart and it's pretty hard to squeeze, but I still recommend it. Because if you really want to, if you're really mad, I would use that. Because when I know when I get mad, my tension builds up and I just want to squeeze something. And that's what I use. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, some marble. But let's close our eyes. Okay. Okay. This one looks good. If I can get the mochi off. Okay. So it's a DIY marble and mash with 4 marbles. It's technically called a marble and balloon. My stepbrother made this for me. It's like a 7 out of 10. I'm just going to do these two at the same time. Because I'm trying to go as fast as I can. So that I don't have another 30-minute long video. That's already posted. And look at this glow-in-the-dark needle. Here, I'm going to try to show you guys it going in the dark. Right now. Not right now, though. And then I have the new gumball needle. Oh my god. This one actually feels... It says it's bubblegum for your hands. It actually is, guys. Recommend it. Let me move on to my mochis. I have a blue elephant mochi. I have a white panza mochi. And a pink bunny mochi. The nose and the eyes are gone from washing it. But, oh my god, I love those things so much. I secretly love throwing them up at my wall. I mean, yeah, at my wall. And then watching them slowly fall down. But I catch them before they touch the ground. Silly thing is, I just watched these and they're pretty dirty already. Thanks, because half the things in here are pretty dirty, but I wouldn't care. Anyways, it's mostly this thing. It carries such hair. Anyway, this is my little Zoom Zoom little pet. Then I have this deflated bird. I think from the dollar store, but it's super deflated. Then I have these 3. Well, I have 2 Minecraft ones and this Be Kind one. And honestly, I think I low-key like this one better for like the noise. Or like just like the feeling of it. But I think I low-key like these ones better for the noise because these actually pop. So this side. This side has a ladder pop than this side. But that's like the same thing as this, just diamond and grass. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so I think I have 2 of these in here, so yep, I do. I think these are the tangles. I don't have the little green part that connects them both. I wish I could just undo this somehow. But I have the 2 ends. One's a little bit longer than the other. I think these are called tangle. No, these are called. I forgot what they're called. Comment down below if you guys know what they're called. But I love playing with these things so much. 10 out of 10. Like, all of these are 10 out of 10s. Except this one. This one's like a 2 out of 10. It's so hard to squeeze, but that's another one that I love to, when I build up tension, I just want to eat something. This one, I love just that. I love this 10 out of 10. All these are like 10 out of 10. Pea in a pod. Pea. 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 This one was better than my first peanut pod I made. 10 out of 10. I love these things. We have a poppet. Not an actual poppet, but a homemade one. This is one of my favorites. 10 out of 10. Literally queen. 11 out of 10. I'll have a couple more, so I'm just going to take them out. Joystick. I don't even think I'm going to rate these anymore. 10 out of 10. Balloon dog animal. I don't like the feeling, so 5 out of 10. Now this one is like an acupressure ring. Just a hair tie version. I really don't know how to use acupressure rings, but I would rate that like a 10. Then this octopus that has like eyes that pop out. It's super funny. I love it. 11 out of 10. We have this very cute squishy. I'm not like most of the time I'm not in the mood for squishy, and I don't really like squishies like that anymore, like how they used to be. So, yeah. Rate that 7.5 out of 10. Then I have this like turd. Look how cute that is. Hello. That's super cute. Yeah, I had this for like 2 years now, so I don't know where you could get this. 10 out of 10. I actually like it a lot. Then there's Harry Potter squishy. If you know me, I love Harry Potter. Why am I so clumsy today? I'm so clumsy. Anyways, like I was saying, Harry Potter is one of my favorite movies, like their whole season. And this is a Ravenclaw one. Yeah, so like I almost dropped it again, but yeah. 10? Not even 10, like maybe like 7. I'm joking. Like 25 out of 10. We have 2 more. It's a stretchy monkey. And this is super hard to bend, but I like it a lot. And this was one of my first ones. So that one I'm definitely going to have to give like a 10 out of 10. Then the last one I have is like this scented one. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell it. Smell it, 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 smell it. Smell it again. Anyway, it's like a lollipop one, and it actually smells super good. I'm not gonna do a face reveal. And then the bracelet on it. Like I said, I love rolling it. So yeah, that's it. That's all my fidgets. Oh, let me rate this. 10 out of 10. That's all of my fidgets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on this post notification so you get notified every time I post a new video just like this one. And make sure you go get your book. Dang it. One of my needles fell. Make sure you go get the Secrets Within Me book. I love that book so much so far. And I definitely recommend it. Anyways, that's it for today. And I hope I see you guys next time on a brand new video. Bye!